Welcome to Mr. Court EDU Tutorials, and in this installment we're going to show you how to publish a Google slide presentation to the web. Okay, so why would you do this? Okay, I do this in both my regular ed classroom and also as an online teacher for several reasons. The main reason is to create an announcement that loops until you stop it. So in other words, a loop is something in a computer program that you tell it to do over and over and over again until you set a parameter to stop it. Okay, and in this case, I use mine to create a class agenda that they could view throughout my class at my regular ed school on my projector, so they could see it as they're working on their assignments. Also, in the online environment, I posted an announcements section so they could see weekly announcements scrolling through in a presentation style manner. Okay, it's also cool to embed on a web page as well, okay, for the similar reason, and it allows multiple audiences to see it across the world. So in a web page forum, if you're using it in a presentation setting, okay, where it's more discussion based and you want people to see multiple things at once. Pretty cool. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So very simple. You'll just go to File, okay, and Publish to Web. Okay, then it gives you several different parameters on how to do this. We're just going to show you guys how to do it right from a web page, okay, as if you were going to display this on an overhead projector in your classroom. So first thing I'm going to do is set the timing. So we'll do I like to do every 5 seconds, sometimes 5 to 10. 3 seems to be quick for me. And I'm going to start this as soon as the player loads. So as soon as it's published, okay, it's just going to start the slideshow. And I'm also going to set it so it restarts after it gets to the next slide. Okay, there is the ability to take this, okay, and embed this. And you could also set the size based on pixels. Okay, you could also create a custom size for this as well. Okay, and you can control it the same way you control the link. Okay, so we're going to go back to link. I'll click publish. Okay, I'm sure I want to publish it, so I'll click OK. Okay, I'm going to copy the link from here. Okay, and you can also share it on the social media websites. Okay, and I'm going to paste it. Okay, another tab, and you'll see every 5 seconds it'll change automatically. I'm not pressing anything. Okay, it's just scrolling to from that first slide to that second slide and back. Very cool. Okay, so once you're done with it, okay, you simply X out of it. Okay, and it will stay published in that link until you go in and do some editing yourself, or until and republish, okay, or you just click stop publishing and it's done. Thank you for tuning in to Mr. Court EDU Tutorials. This is a digital short. Hey, hope you learned something. Follow me on my podcast, Mr. Court EDU Podcast on iTunes, and stay tuned to my YouTube channel for some more installments.